So look at rating features, extend, offset, project, thicken, intersect, and so on. Let's draw sketch. Status plan over here. Let's execute that. So what does this extend feature does? In case you need to extend some side of a surface or quilt, just select this boundary and we can drag that and we will have that surface extended like that. And it will try to merge it with the existing one. Right, similarly it can be done on this side as well. See, it merges all the surfaces together. Project. Let's say you draw something. Then you want to project this one on this surface. You can just use project 7 on this one. Surfaces is this, and sketch 7. Okay, so this one is projected on this one. Offset. The surface can be offsetted. By the required distance. Trim. You can trim. Let's say an object to be this one, right? And if you do this, you see it cuts the trimming object. It's okay, you get this. Thicken just thickens it in any one direction, creating a solid like that. You can increase or decrease the distance based on that. Look like that. Set basically creates a 2D geometry with two objects. So items to intersect. Let's say want this and creates a 2D. The plane intersects this surface. See, merge. So again, do a sketch on this plane. Extrude this one. Sorry. It took a surface. Okay, let's see how merge works. So I select this one and this one. Basically tells you which one it would keep. Like that. Like that. So just the two bodies. For solidify, you basically need a closed geometry. So let's see that. Thanks.